This video will show how to change the looks of your 3D model in Dimension by applying materials and graphics. You can also control the way a 3D model looks by applying materials and images to surfaces. Materials are an asset type that change the way models look. They are made up of a collection of properties which determine the color, whether the object is matte or glossy, and whether the object is metallic or translucent. Many models have materials that are made specifically for them and get imported into Dimension along with the model. For example, the models in starter assets or available on Adobe stock. If a model is imported without materials, Dimension automatically uses a default material. All materials can be replaced or edited. You can also apply images to models. Images get layered over the base material and each image layer can have its own additional material properties. Images can be applied to any model surface and get automatically deformed to the shape, including curves, edges, and folds. Add materials to objects. Locate a material you want to use on your model. You can find materials in starter assets, on Adobe stock, or import custom materials directly from your local device storage. Find a material to use on your model from various sources. Drag a material thumbnail from starter assets, libraries, or a file from File Explorer, Win/Finder, Mac, window directly into the Dimension canvas. The material is applied to the object below the cursor, or all selected objects, if dropped across multiple selections. Material applied to the selected object or across multiple selections. To edit a material, select it by double-clicking in the canvas. Each material can have different properties. Double-click inside your canvas to edit material. Add graphics to models. Locate an image you want to use on your model. You can find images in the starter assets, on Adobe stock, or import custom images directly from your local device storage. Choose an image to use it on your model. Drag an image thumbnail from starter assets, libraries, or a file from File Explorer, Win/Finder, Mac, window directly into the Dimension canvas. Import image into the canvas directly. The image is applied to the object below the cursor. Image gets applied to the model. With the Select Move tool active and the image selected, you see a widget in the canvas. To position the graphic, drag it inside the circular area. To rotate the graphic, drag the circular handle. To scale the graphic, drag the square handles. Hold down the Shift key to scale uniformly. Position and scale the image across the model. You can set graphics to two modes. Images in Decal mode will float on the surface of the model and only take up some part of the surface. Images in Fill mode will flood the entire material region. When a decal is in fill mode, there are tiling options to mirror or repeat the pattern. Set graphics mode, fill mode. Left, a graphic in decal mode. Middle, a graphic in fill mode. Right, a graphic in fill mode with mirrored tiling. Graphic layers have their own small set of material properties, so you can control whether it is metallic, glossy, or matte. Set material property of your graphics in Dimension, glossy, matte, or metallic. Ultimately, both material and graphic layers are very useful tools. Generally, using materials is the best way to quickly get the realistic look of existing material, wood, fabric, metal. Then you can layer your own graphics on top for custom labels, decals, and designs. Materials and graphics are combined together to create complete looks.